type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate.
Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? Hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes, for your comments, for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know. So for today's tutorial, it's going to be how to make quick wig for shaved side haircuts. Alright, you all know I shaved the side of my hair, so I thought about doing this video again. Actually, this has been done before. I did it in the past, and somebody asked me, one of the subscribers asked me to do another one more detailing. She actually wanted to see how I finish this side. It's the same process I used for the other one, but this one is a little bit more better than the first one. The first one I did, I used a straight weave on, straight extension. I used straight extension, but in this I decided to use the curly one. So if you all want to see how I achieve this look, please do continue watching, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and do turn on your notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye. So guys, the little frame right there is to show you what I used in this tutorial. I don't want to prolong the video, that's why. And I'm showing you where I'm actually going to be cutting, where I have the purple color. That's where I'm going to stop the extension at. So those are the things I'm going to need: the wig cap, the foam, the scissors, the hair clips, and also needle and thread. So right here, I pick up the first track of the extension with the needle and thread, and I sew it on the wig cap. I kept on doing that round and round until I get to the point of the purple line. That's where I stop. Then I will come back here to explain to you guys what I did towards that end, okay?
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together.
So at this point, I decided to show you how I secure the thread at the end of each track. That's what I'm doing right there.
You make me smile, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding pretty, pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really, really. So good when you came my way. You came in.
And this is where I'll be stopping the track. You can see the purple line that I showed you guys in the beginning, and I will just sew that like from the outer part to the inner part to secure the thread in.
Happen almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down, celebrate this love, baby. What are we found? We know this is real. Everybody's looking at me. Can't relate to what I've been through, so baby I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere you know. Anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all
So here is the hair extension twisted into two double strands, and I just use a thread to secure it so it doesn't loosen up. You can also do that. That's what I'm going to be using to cover the track to make it look as natural as possible.
Night we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, we saving our money. Yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving my money. Yeah. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile.
So what I did next is to tie it down. Like I used the needle, of course, and the thread to sew the ear extension, the double strand down to secure it and to cover the track, like I said.
You like good food, you from that place, you from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere, you know. I can take it anywhere, so call me God. They know you and me, not my family. We about to go up, we about to go one. They know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere, so come by. They know you and me, baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through, so baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me.
Now I'll be moving on to secure the hair clip onto the wig. That's what I'll be using to secure it on my hair by the time I put it on. I had about four. I put two at the front and two at the back, and that's what I'll be using. And also, in order to secure it properly when I put it on my head, I use bobby pins like here and there just to make sure it's properly secured.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down. Let's celebrate this love we found. 'Cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really really. So good when you came my way. You came and laughing almost every day.
In her body, she ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma.
I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and please do share and leave me likes and comment. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.